Welcome to the deep dive. Okay, today we're jumping into the big shifts happening in crypto right now, looking at some key 2024 trends.
Right. There's a lot going on.
Yeah, exactly. From AI merging with crypto to, big finance getting more involved, even the wild world of meme coins.
Uh-huh.
Our mission is just to pull out the really significant stuff, the surprising bits, so you get a quick handle on it all. Let's get started.
Sounds good. It's quite a mix, isn't it? All these different threads developing together.
Absolutely. So first up, this AI and crypto thing, it feels like it's really gaining momentum.
Definitely. We're seeing more AI-driven projects, sure, but also this demand for like decentralized AI.
Decentralized AI, so AI not run by just one or two giants.
Exactly. And autonomous agents too. AI programs that can sort of act on their own using crypto networks.
And the crypto angle there is transparency, trust.
Yeah, I think so. It taps into that core crypto idea of, decentralization, maybe trying to build AI that's a bit more open.
Interesting. Okay, switching gears completely. Meme coins.
Huh? Yeah, they're back.
It feels like it. Coins driven by internet culture, even personalities. You mentioned Trump. They're buzzing.
It's that whole viral, community-driven aspect. It's a powerful, if sometimes unpredictable force in this market.
Definitely not just about the tech sometimes. Okay, and then there's the more serious side, regulation, stablecoins in the U.S.
Right. Big focus there. These are the coins pegged to, say, the U.S. dollar. There are moves, new bills aiming to regulate how they're issued, how they're backed.
Which seems pretty important for them to be used more widely, right? Like for institutions.
Absolutely. Clarity helps build that trust and provides a more solid framework.
And speaking of institutions, they're also looking at tokenizing real-world assets, RWAs.
Yes, putting things like stocks, bonds, maybe even real estate onto a blockchain.
Why do that? What's the benefit?
The potential is efficiency, making them easier and maybe cheaper to trade, potentially boosting liquidity, making them more accessible.
Gotcha. And we can't talk institutions without mentioning the Bitcoin ETFs. That was huge.
Oh, massive. The inflows were, pretty staggering.
Pushed the price way up. I think it broke 111K at one point. It really feels like that brought crypto into the mainstream finance conversation.
It certainly added a huge layer of legitimacy, brought in serious institutional capital. It's a validation.
Yeah. Now, for the DeFi folks, liquid staking and restaking, what's happening there?
So this lets people earn staking rewards in their crypto, but without locking it out completely. They get a token back they can still use.
Ah, so you get the yield but keep the flexibility.
Exactly. And restaking kind of builds on that, letting you secure multiple networks, potentially. It's all about capital efficiency in DeFi.
Making your assets work harder, basically.
Right.
And DPMN, that's another acronym floating around.
Decentralized physical infrastructure networks. Think projects like Helium.
The wireless network.
Yeah, or XYO for location data. They use crypto incentives to get people to build and run real-world infrastructure networks together.
So blockchain meeting physical stuff, interesting, like a crowdsourced network.
Kind of, yeah. It's about building things in a more distributed way.
Okay, nearly there. Last big one, Ethereum scaling. Still a major focus.
Always. Layer 2 solutions are key, of course, but also the recent EIP 4844 upgrade. Protein sharding.
Which is all about lower fees.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Making transactions on those layer 2s significantly cheaper, which is crucial for dApps, decentralized applications, to really take off and be usable.
Makes sense. Lower barrier to entry.
Right. Opens it up.
Wow. Okay, so we've covered a lot. AI, meme coins, regulation, RWAs, ETFs, DeFi stuff like restaking, DePIN, Ethereum scaling. It's a busy space.
It really is constantly evolving, and like you said, all these different areas are starting to connect and influence each other.
Totally. So here's a final thought, maybe for you listening. With all these trends, buzzing AI, the ETFs, regulation, scaling, which one area do you think is going to have the most significant impact over the next, say, 2 or 3 years? And maybe why? Worth pondering how they all fit together. Thanks for diving deep with us.